Do you dream of a retirement filled with sunny days, vibrant culture, and a more relaxed pace of life? Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets with the aroma of paella in the air and the sound of flamenco guitar floating from outdoor cafes. For many Americans, this retirement dream unfolds under the warm Spanish sun. From the sunny beaches of Costa del Sol to the vibrant energy of cities like Madrid and Barcelona, Spain offers a wide range of experiences. Imagine exploring ancient ruins, immersing yourself in the passion of flamenco, and savoring delicious tapas with new friends. The rich history, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality of Spain create an irresistible allure for those seeking a retirement filled with new experiences and unforgettable memories. The country boasts an affordable cost of living, making it a practical choice for retirees on a budget. Add to this a top-notch healthcare system and a welcoming expat community. And it's no wonder that Spain consistently ranks among the best places in the world to retire. One of the most attractive aspects of retiring in Spain is the cost of living, which is significantly lower than in many parts of the United States. Let's take a closer look at the key expenses you can expect when retiring in Spain. When it comes to housing, renting a one-bedroom apartment in Spain can cost between $600 and $800 a month in small towns and between $800 and $1,200 in larger cities. Groceries are another area where you'll notice significant savings compared to the US. Expect to spend around $250 to $400 a month on fresh produce, local delicacies, and everyday essentials. And let's not forget the simple pleasure of enjoying a glass of wine with dinner, with prices starting from just a few euros per bottle. Creating a budget for your retirement in Spain is essential. Let's break down the key expenses you'll need to consider. Housing, groceries, dining out, transportation, and healthcare are the main categories. Housing costs can vary greatly depending on the city and type of accommodation. Groceries and dining out are generally affordable, especially if you shop at local markets. Public transportation is reliable and cost-effective. Healthcare in Spain is of high quality and reasonably priced. Make sure to factor in these costs when planning your budget. With careful planning, you can enjoy a comfortable and fulfilling retirement in Spain. As an American dreaming of retiring in Spain, it's essential to navigate the visa requirements to ensure a smooth transition to your new life abroad. Fortunately, Spain offers a specific visa designed for retirees seeking a sun-soaked sanctuary to call their own. The non-lucrative visa, often referred to as the NLV, is the most suitable option for American retirees looking to make Spain their permanent home. This visa allows you to reside in Spain without working or engaging in any professional activity, giving you the freedom to fully enjoy your retirement years. To qualify for the non-lucrative visa, you must meet specific requirements that assure the Spanish authorities of your financial stability and your ability to integrate into Spanish society. This involves providing evidence of a stable passive income, such as pensions, retirement funds, investments, or rental income, that meets the minimum threshold set by the Spanish government. Currently, the minimum monthly income requirement for the main applicant is 2,400 euros, which is approximately 2,600 US dollars. If you plan to move with dependents, you will need to show an additional 600 euros, around 650 US dollars per dependent per month. This financial requirement ensures that you can maintain a comfortable lifestyle in Spain without relying on public assistance. In addition to financial documentation, you will need to gather several supporting documents for your visa application. It is crucial to ensure that all documents are translated into Spanish by a certified translator to avoid delays in the application process. Spain's healthcare system is renowned for its quality and accessibility. For Americans considering retirement in Spain, understanding how the system works is crucial. The public healthcare system in Spain, known as the Sistema Nacional de Salud, provides free or low-cost healthcare to residents. This includes doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescription medications. To access public healthcare, you need to be a legal resident and register with the local health center. Once registered, you'll receive a health card that allows you to use public health services. Many retirees also opt for private health insurance to avoid long wait times and to access a wider range of services. Private insurance can be relatively affordable and offers more flexibility. It's important to compare different insurance plans and choose one that fits your needs and budget. Consulting with a financial advisor can help you make an informed decision. Overall, Spain's healthcare system is one of the best in the world, making it an attractive destination for American retirees. With the right preparation, you can enjoy a healthy and fulfilling retirement in Spain. The public healthcare system in Spain, known as the Sistema Nacional de Salud, or SNS, is funded through Social Security contributions and provides universal coverage to all residents, regardless of nationality or pre-existing conditions. Once you have obtained your residency visa and registered with the Spanish Social Security system, you will be eligible to access the public healthcare system, which covers a wide range of medical services, including doctor visits, hospital stays, specialist consultations, and even some prescription medications at a very low or no cost. While there may be nominal copayments for certain services, such as prescription medications, the overall cost of healthcare through the public system is significantly lower than what you might be used to in the United States. This affordability factor is a major draw for American retirees looking for a retirement destination where they can prioritize their health and well-being without impacting their finances. In addition to the public healthcare system, Spain also has a thriving private healthcare sector, which offers an alternative for those seeking shorter wait times, a wider selection of specialists, and more personalized care. Private health insurance in Spain is relatively affordable, with plans starting at around $100 a month, making it an attractive option for retirees who want the flexibility to choose their own doctors and hospitals. Many private hospitals in Spain also offer English-speaking staff, ensuring clear communication and a comfortable experience for expatriates. Some retirees choose to have both public and private health insurance, allowing them to take advantage of the best of both systems. Valencia, a city bathed in sunlight and caressed by the gentle Mediterranean breeze, attracts retirees with its unique blend of history, modernity, and coastal charm. Valencia, the third largest city in Spain, offers a vibrant cultural scene, a delicious culinary landscape, and a relaxed pace of life that perfectly complements its urban energy. One of Valencia's most attractive features is its affordability. Compared to other major Spanish cities, Valencia offers a lower cost of living without compromising quality of life. The city's efficient public transportation system makes getting around easy, and the abundance of parks and green spaces provides ample opportunities for peaceful walks, bike rides, and outdoor gatherings. The city is the birthplace of paella, and you'll find countless restaurants serving this iconic dish in its various forms. And don't miss the chance to witness a traditional mascleta, a pyrotechnic display that fills the city with a symphony of sound and color during the Fallas Festival. Alicante, a gem of the Costa Blanca, embodies the quintessential Mediterranean dream, captivating retirees with its sun-drenched beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a laid-back lifestyle that invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Alicante offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, allowing you to adopt a slower pace and reconnect with simple pleasures. The city's charming old town, known as El Barrio, invites exploration with its narrow, winding streets, colorful buildings adorned with flower-filled balconies, and hidden plazas where you can enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of local wine while soaking in the atmosphere. Alicante also hosts a significant expatriate community, providing a sense of belonging and making it easy to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passion for the Spanish lifestyle. And with over 300 days of sunshine a year, Alicante offers endless opportunities for outdoor activities, from swimming, sunbathing, and water sports to hiking, cycling, and exploring the picturesque countryside of the region. Seville, the capital of Andalusia, pulses with a captivating blend of history, culture, and modern vitality, offering retirees an immersive experience in the heart of southern Spain's soul. Seville is a city that ignites the senses, from the passionate rhythms of flamenco to the tempting aromas of tapas bars and the grandeur of its architectural masterpieces. Seville's historical legacy is palpable, with remnants of its Arab past evident in its architecture, cuisine, and cultural traditions. Explore the Alcázar of Seville, a magnificent palace complex that seamlessly blends Arab and Christian architectural styles, and its lush gardens offer an oasis of tranquility in the heart of the city. Seville offers a high quality of life at a relatively affordable cost, with housing options ranging from charming apartments in historic buildings to modern apartments in newer developments. The compact size of the city makes it easy to navigate on foot or by public transport, and its excellent climate ensures outdoor living year-round. Madrid, the cosmopolitan capital of Spain, offers retirees a dynamic urban lifestyle with world-class museums, theaters, restaurants, and shops all within reach. Imagine spending your days exploring renowned art museums like the Prado and the Reina Sofia and the Thyssen-Bornemisza, each housing masterpieces by Spanish and international artists. For those seeking a more tranquil escape, the city of Granada, nestled at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains, offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Explore the Alhambra, a magnificent Arab palace and fortress complex that stands as a testament to Spain's rich Islamic heritage. And for those dreaming of coastal living, the Costa del Sol, stretching along Spain's southern coast, offers a series of charming towns and villages, each with its own unique character. Imagine spending your days basking in the sun on golden beaches, swimming in the clear Mediterranean waters, and enjoying outdoor dining with stunning sea views. What truly sets Spain apart as a retirement paradise isn't just its captivating beauty or its affordable lifestyle, but the warmth and hospitality of its people. Spaniards are known for their welcoming nature, their enthusiasm for life, and their genuine interest in connecting with people from all walks of life. Imagine being greeted with a smile wherever you go, striking up lively conversations with locals at the market or cafe, and feeling a sense of belonging in your new community. Spaniards embrace a slower pace of life, savor meals with friends and family, enjoy peaceful walks through their towns and villages, and take the time to connect with each other. This emphasis on relationships and community creates a welcoming atmosphere for expatriates, making it easier to feel at home and build lasting friendships. Beyond the warmth of its people, Spain offers a tapestry of experiences that enrich the lives of retirees seeking a fulfilling and adventurous chapter. From exploring ancient Roman ruins and medieval castles to attending flamenco shows and traditional festivals, Spain is a country full of history, culture, and tradition. Imagine immersing yourself in the vibrant energy of a local fiesta, witnessing colorful processions and dancing all night to the rhythm of Spanish music. The diverse landscape of Spain, from its sun-kissed coastlines and rolling hills to its majestic mountains and green valleys, offers endless opportunities for outdoor recreation and adventure. Imagine walking on picturesque trails, biking on scenic routes, or simply relaxing on pristine beaches, enjoying the Mediterranean sun. And let's not forget the culinary delights of Spain, a symphony of flavors that delight the taste buds and celebrate the country's rich gastronomic heritage. From bustling tapas bars serving a variety of savory bites to Michelin-star restaurants pushing the boundaries of culinary innovation, Spain offers a dining experience for every palate and occasion. Whether you're savoring a plate of paella with friends, enjoying freshly caught seafood with Mediterranean views, or sipping local wines at a centuries-old winery, Spain's culinary scene is an integral part of its cultural tapestry. As the sun sets on another day in paradise, casting a warm glow over the Spanish coast, it's easy to see why so many Americans choose to spend their golden years in this charming country. From the affordable cost of living and high-quality healthcare, to the rich culture and welcoming locals, and the countless opportunities for adventure and relaxation, Spain offers a retirement experience like no other. Imagine waking up each day to the gentle rhythm of Spanish life, enjoying relaxed breakfasts with fresh bread and strong coffee, and embracing the warmth of the Mediterranean sun on your skin. Picture yourself strolling through bustling markets, picking out fresh produce and local delights, or exploring ancient ruins and majestic cathedrals, each telling a story of Spain's rich history and cultural heritage. Imagine evenings sharing tapas with new friends in lively bars, the air filled with laughter, conversation, and the strumming of Spanish guitars. Retiring in Spain is more than just a change of scenery. It's an opportunity to embrace a new way of life, one that prioritizes connection, community, and the simple pleasures that make life so rich and rewarding. If you're looking for a retirement filled with sunshine, warmth, and endless possibilities for adventure and relaxation, Spain awaits you with open arms. Take the leap, explore your options, and discover the magic of retiring in this captivating corner of the world. Your Spanish sunset awaits.